Namaste. Welcome to Triyogam. Today we're going to learn about beginner's standing flow with following key points. What is standing flow? Why is standing flow? And how to do standing flow. In this standing flow, we have used 6 main standing postures plus few connecting postures and created a special beginner's standing flow. Are you ready? Let's get started. With inhalation, slowly raise your both hands towards the ceiling, palms facing each other. With exhalation, bend from your waistline 30 degrees forward, followed by your knees. Come into UTKATASANA, chair pose. With inhalation, make your knees straight, followed by your waist. With exhalation, slowly bend all the way down, forward from your waistline. Come into PADAHASTASANA. And with inhalation, bring your left leg back. Tuck your toes, come into Ashwasanchalanasana, look up. With exhalation, bring your left leg forward, come back to Padahastasana. And with inhalation, take your right leg back, toes on the floor, knees down, Ashwasanchalanasana, and look up. With exhalation, extend your back knees off the floor. Walk your both hands towards the center of your mat, slowly one by one. With inhalation, halfway up, look up, chin up. With exhalation, bend forward, bend your elbows. Inhale and look up, halfway up. With exhalation, slowly walk your hands all the way towards your left side of your mat. Point your left toe towards the left side and bring your right heel on the ground. Inhale and raise your both hands towards the ceiling. VIRABHADRASANA 1. Exhale and extend your both arms shoulder level. Come back to VIRABHADRASANA 2 and gaze at your left fingertips. With inhalation, bring your right palm on your right leg and extend your left hand towards the ceiling. Come into reverse warrior. With exhalation, bring your left hand, left palm all the way down beside your left outer feet and extend your right hand until your right biceps close to your ears. With inhalation, come back to VIRABHADRASANA 2. And with exhalation, extend your left knee, bring your left palm on your left ankle and raise your right hand all the way towards the sky and gaze at your fingertips, Trikonasana. Now slowly bring your right hand down and left hand down beside your feet. And slowly walk your both hands towards the center of your mat. With inhalation, concave your back. With exhalation, walk your hands all the way down and come back to PRASARITA PADOTTANASANA. With inhalation, halfway up, walk your hands all the way forward until perpendicular to the floor. Now let us begin on the other side. Inhale and halfway up again. With exhalation, Slowly close your feet together. Try to roll your back and come into upright position and relax your whole body. Why is this standing flow? This standing flow removes stiffness in the legs and your hips. This also tones ankles, knees, thighs, calves and your arms. This flow strengthens the muscles of your torso and your low back. This flow gives mobility to the major joints of your body. If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Wanna say something? Comment below. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.